Man, I wonder if these two is going to jump off to a race. Raptor versus the Audi. Light turns green, buddy. Yeah! Yeah! I told you they were going to go. I told you they were going to go, didn't I? Alright guys, I got a little treat for you tonight. We're on the Burgman 400 and we're about to hit the strip. So let's go for a ride. Las Vegas Harley Davidson. We got the Pinball Hall of Fame right there. Alright, if you check a look over to the left here, you got Mandalay and you got the Luxor coming up. MGM's over to the right. Vegas D-Tech, it's Joey again. I thought I'd take you guys out here for a little cruise on the strip on a fabulous Thursday night. Look, people are still wearing shorts. It hasn't gotten too cold yet. But yeah, man. One of the last of the OGs, man. Excalibur to the left. And Tropicana coming up to the right. Got Purple Rain playing tonight. Yeah. Tribute to Prince. R.I.P. Alright, and over here to the left, man, New York, buddy. If you want to grab a nice deep dish pizza, stop right on in over there. MGM over here to the right. If you guys want to see a fight, whatever. Looks like David Copperfield is the main showing over there. Now passing Las Vegas Boulevard and Tropicana, we're heading into the heart of darkness. Oh no. Well, we got some police action. Always got some police action. Yeah. Man, the smell of weed is so blowing out here. Where else can you just do that out in public now, man? Yeah. Like I said, man, Las Vegas is wide open, dude. Temperature's perfect right now for you guys. Just want to come for a walk, man. It's still t-shirt and shorts weather. And man, if you guys got a scooter, this is even awesome, man. No gears to mess with. Just come out here and just cruise, man. That's the thing that shines about the Burgman. If I want to pull over, get something to eat, go ahead. If I want to buy some souvenirs, whatever, I got extra jackets and I got an extra helmet under my seat. Word. Yeah, man, Burgman 400, dude. Yeah, I know everybody says, oh, motorcycle this, Gixxer. Yeah, right. Try coming out here, man, in stop and go traffic. How many Gixxers do you see out here? I don't see shit. Because nobody wants to ride that stuff out here and have to shift gears. It's terrible, man. Anyways, alright guys, here we go. Paris. Planet Hollywood to my right and the Paris straight ahead. Yeah, buddy. Uh-oh. And over to my left, you got Bellagio to the left. Behind me, Cosmopolitan. And straight ahead, Evel Knievel's favorite home, Caesar's Palace. Yeah, yeah. Alright. So as you can see, man, this is just so chill. Stop and go riding on the Burgman in traffic like this, man. It just, man, this is relaxing. It is, dude. I don't have to keep my hand on my damn lever over here because there's no clutch to deal with. Just straight twist and roll. All these people on the strip, man. Vegas wide open again. Ooh wee, man. Man, look at this CVS, man. You ever see a CVS in your neck of the woods that look like this? Crazy, crazy. Alright, man. Coming up on one of my favorites over here, man. On the upper right. Yeah, man, it's one of the last of the good casinos, dude. I used to work over here when I was a little kid. When I was like 18, it was one of my first jobs. It's the good old Flamingo, buddy. Anybody interested in seeing Lil Wayne? Saturday, October 30th. Yeah! Uh-oh. Got metro action in front of us, man. Damn it. As soon as this light turns green, I'm gonna have to juice it and get over, man. That's just how it's gonna have to be. Got somebody over here peeing on the side of the strip. That's just normal behavior, guys, on a Thursday night. Alright, let's get over here real quick. Oh, man, got the limousine. Cut me off. Damn, dude. What the police got going on over here? I don't know. Oh, I got the underglow. But the limo wants to get the underglow. Hell no. The party's right here, buddy. Yeah. Alright, man. Mirage coming up on our left. Man, a lot of this stuff, man, is so new. I don't get down here that much to even enjoy it. I don't even recognize what this place is like. And I'm a native since '85. Just look at all these people from all over the world, all over the U.S. trying to have a good time, kicking it. Palazzo. Look at this Palazzo action, man. Wow. Venetian. Alright, we're on the gas again, guys, on the gas. Haunted museum action. Oh, I gotta get away from this bus. Stinks like diesel and funk. Encore, baby, the Wynn. One of the most glamorous casinos on the strip here is the Wynn, man. Yes, sir. It's beautiful. Ah, more police action across the street. What do you expect, man? The cesspool of America. The Las Vegas Strip. Welcome. Anything goes. Whatever you want. Hey, man, I just saw Lionel Richie's playing at the Wynn. Can you believe it? Lionel Richie is still alive, doing well, and still singing. Alright, pushing through the Wynn. Alright, guys, so this is going to be like the core of the Las Vegas Strip. Now, guys, I don't even know. Right there is Resorts World. That's the newest. The Resorts World is the newest resort that's been just lately built. Look at that. Every one of those squares that you see is a window, and they've got monitors right on your window. You don't see it when you're inside. You just got this little hole that you're looking through, but really your bedroom window is one humongous monitor. Look at that. Man, they tore something down right here and they're putting up something else. You don't get real estate like this for very long in Vegas. Somebody spent billions and billions and billions of dollars in a contract deal to buy that little lot right there. Alright, passing through Resorts World. Hey, everything $10 or less. I like or less. And one of the lasts coming up here on the left, man, is the good old Circus. Oh man, brings back great memories. Just remember coming there when I was 15 years old, man, just walking around with 3 friends picking up on girls, man. Oh yeah. Circus, you go up to the mezzanine and it's got all the games and so forth. I'd win me a little teeny teddy bear or a tiger, and then I would write my name and phone number on it, because we didn't have no cell phones and beepers and stuff like that. We just had a pin. If you were prepared, you had a pin. You write your name on the tag that's around the tiger's neck. You find yourself a girl that's looking at you. You walk up to her and you give her the teddy bear or the tiger, and you point to the tag on there and just say, "Call me later." Man, if you are any kind of a player and you got some game, you're gonna get a phone call. Absolutely. Coming around, slots of fun. Sure is slots of fun. Circus action, buddy. Yeah. I miss the old circus. Man, they're building some more crap down here. Las Vegas Convention Center. Yeah, they're into destroying anything that reminded you of yesterday. They don't like that. They're all about tomorrow and the next day and the next year. Yep, it's got to be bigger, better. Kind of like the Dubai attitude. For what? Just more is more is more. Never happy until you get more. And right ahead, guys, is the Stratosphere. At the very top, they got a carnival up there, man. Yeah. And I had a big old auto wreck here once. About 15 years ago. Somebody pulled me out here. Boom, I T-boned him. T-bone action. Alright, guys, that's pretty much the strip. Anything beyond here is going to be Fremont, and that's the ghettos. I never cruised the ghettos. Alright, so we're going to make a turn on the back side of the strip. It's called Paradise. So as you come down, you take the strip, and then to go back, why take the strip again? I cut around the back and I go down Paradise. And this is the back side of the strip, which is not so congested, because everybody's not staring at all the resorts and everything. So this is the back side of the casinos right over here. The strip is that way. The West Gate was formerly known as the Hilton Hotel many years ago. Benihana's, man. Hey, they had the Star Trek experience up there. Where you go up to the top and there's like a Star Trek bar. Klingons are walking around and you could blast off and they'll take you to Deep Space Nine. Now that was dope. That was back when I was a kid, man. Nowadays, dude, it's all about Cisco, Lil Wayne, Booty, and Auto-Tune. Hip-hop has taken over Las Vegas, man. Where has the rock and roll gone? Lovely. More violence at the Dunkin' Donuts. Only in fabulous Las Vegas, where the police are always on duty. Man, I thought this was one of the coolest things here. The MGM Grand. All that glowing effect of the green, those aren't even lights, man. It's just at the very base of the hotel on the ground floor. They have uplights that shine up the building and gives it that nice green, man. Really cool. Lovely lights. Back on the strip, guys. Woo! Alright, alright. Right back where we started, except the other way. Excalibur on our right, Mandalay on our right. Alright, so on our left side over here, we're going to have Howard Hughes International Airport. You know Howard Hughes, man. The billionaire, Spruce Goose, all that nonsense. That's right, Howard Hughes. Lord have mercy, what's wrong with these streets? Always tearing things up out here. Gotta make it bigger, man. It ain't good enough. You gotta make it bigger, dude. Yeah. Alright, guys. On our left side is the Welcome to Las Vegas sign that you always see in my videos. But instead of Welcome to Las Vegas, it's Goodbye. Carefully come back. See you soon, Las Vegas. It's where all the people take their pictures. Yeah. Right in here. They park. And here we go, man. They call it McCarran Airfield. This is the very first small airport. And then Maverick helicopters. He's over one lane over. He's right there, dude. You can't get away from the Burgman 400, buddy. Audi S5. Oh no, but there is a Ford Raptor in front of me. Yeah. Man, I wonder if these two is going to jump off to a race. A Raptor versus the Audi. Light turns green, buddy. Yeah! Yeah! I told you they were going to go. I told you they were gonna go, didn't I? Yeah. Woo! Yeah. I knew they were gonna go for it. Oh, the Audi's right there. Raptor and the Audi. Hey man, Thursday night Las Vegas races. What it's all about, buddy. Woo! There you go. He got the boost. He got the boost, but I got the juice. Yeah! I told you I'll catch up. I'll catch up. Yeah! Alright guys, so that was a nice little quick little run out to the strip from my house, which is about a 10-minute ride from my front door down to all the action. I hope you had a good time with me, man. Ripping down the street, enjoying a couple of races, airing out the Burgman, letting know that scooters rock. And about to head home right now. Wife is home. And that's my house there with all the Halloween schmack. Wife's car. Yes, sir. Let's go see what's going on over here. I want to introduce you to my clown buddy here. The little kids in the neighborhood named him Hamburger the Clown. I think he's motion activated too.
Come visit me at the circus. Enjoy the main event.
Yes, sir. And this is my glorious wife Maria, home from work. Everybody wants to say hello to you. We just got back from the strip and did some racing.
Did you say hello to?
Oh yeah, we said hello to Hamburger. Yes. Alrighty guys, so I hope you had fun with me tonight, doing a quick little roll on the strip. I told everybody that I was going to try to make as much footage as I could, and I just figured, what the hell, man, let's just go out to the strip on the bike and see what's going on out there. And that was it. So guys, if you like that, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Laters.